These are all different. Like, oh. Get it?
A lot of people.
Uy, Molo. Somebody went shopping.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Ah, awesome. May nagpa-shopping sa atin. I can't reach it.
Let me see.
Oh. Hello, hello, hello. Eto na naman tayo. Ayan, ang daming prutas po. Let's, ay, sorry. Ang daming,
Oh, that one's good.
ang daming pinya. Pinya. Grab some orange. Ang gaganda pa ng pinya.
It's turmeric. You think we can plant it?
Opo. Okay. Pinya. Orange.
It's leaking.
Red orange. They got wet. Red orange. Pinapay. And get some banana. Orange natin. Sayang yan. Orange. Orange all you can.
What do you think?
Okay. Sure. Wait. Hindi natin dito sa... Oh!
Stripper here.
Oh, bulokis nito. Oh!
Cilantro smells so good.
Ano? Pamelemos? Huh? Kasi, kunin na natin ito. Kakaiba oh. It looks different. Huh? Pomelo o grapefruit?
Grapefruit. Ah.
It looks different.
Mm-hmm.
Pomelo. That's cool. Baba natin. Ito pa oh. Oh, there's more. Mahal oh. Grapefruit. This is cool. A different kind of.
That's like the kind of grapefruit that I grew up with.
I've never seen grapefruit like this. Yellow.
Kinda, yeah, that's the way they used to be. The ruby red was kind of, you know, you were rich if you had ruby red. Not many
Yeah, oh,
people,
there's a lot of banana
they
and
were special.
ano, oh. There's a lot of banana and
Kind of squished, huh?
we'll eat this on our way home. Put it separate. Yeah.
Orange?
Red orange.
What about this? No?
Oh no. It seems like been frozen. No, it's been cold.
What's that?
Turmeric. How about this?
There's a bag of buns. Can we plant those?
Baliw. Oh, hot dog. Oh.
Wow,
Oh.
look at that.
It's not burger bun. You make this burger.
It's fresh.
Burger out of it. You know? Oh my god, look at that bread.
Plant them.
Oh, we can plant that to grow.
Yeah.
We'll multiply, huh? What do you think? Sliced French bread. It's open. Banana. I think there's a meat in here.
Yeah.
Oh, look, oh, mahal, oh, there's so much pie. Oh, no. Oh, see, there's a meat there, oh. What kind of pie is that? Maybe there's a pecan pie.
Blueberry? It's a blueberry.
Apple pie. You know apple pie? Ang daming pie. Pie.
Taking a break from eating healthy for another week.
Blueberry. Uy, ano to?
Oh?
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
We'll give some to neighbor too. Okay, let me go look here. Oh, jeez. There's a lot of bread talaga. Ang daming tinapay. Uy. Ano natin dito? Baka may karni. Oh. Oh. May beef. May manok.
Yeah, I think I smell meat.
You smell the fish, the shrimp.
Yeah, that too, but I also smell meat.
There's meat there? Oh, yeah. It's not wrapped.
No.
Hindi kasi nakabalot, oh.
What's this?
Oh. Oh. Oh, muffin.
Some bread. Some flatbread.
Where?
Right there.
Flax oat bran. Oh, that's good. Good stuff. Sandwich. Cauliflower, made with cauliflower. Carb nut. Oh, got that. Carb nut. Oh my goodness. Look at all of this bread. Irish soda bread. Okay. French artisan rolls.
Soda. Huh. Never heard of that.
Chocolate cookies. They always throw cookies. You know? What's in the box, huh? You wanna get this? Carbon.
Summer will eat it if nobody else will.
Oh yeah, I bet. Oh my god, that is sad. You know? That's sad. They throw a bunch of stuff.
You're gonna get fish on you.
Okay, that's it. That's it.
Okay.
Mars, tingnan nyo. Oh, punong-puno ng ng candy. I think it's hard to go in. It's very high.
Sure you want me to go in? I'll go in. I'm tall.
Yay! Daming candy.
Oh.
It's
There's soup in the bottom.
Okay.
So, the ones in the soup
No.
get to leave.
Yes, sir.
They become part of the soup.
Swedish. What's that? Swedish lollipop? Ooh. Basa si Mr. Bean. It has water.
Bean soup.
Thank you. Just get the top on the box, love. Oh wow, this is a lot.
Kubagal is going to be drunk with sugar. Tell her not to send this. If there are any dentists in Kupagawa or Iraq, we should get commission.
That's it. Let's just get the one in the bag. Okay. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ang dami, oh.
Okay.
Oh. Opo. Thank you. Oh. Wow, ang dami. These are all different kinds of flavor.
Yeah. Oh, one more in here. Whoops.
Ang sayo. Ang dami nito. Sakit ipin nyo nito, ha? Baba muna natin ito. Ang daming saging. You get the stick? Okay. Thank you. Uy. May orange yun. Wonder what's that? Oh. Uy. Malo. Somebody went shopping.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Ah. Awesome. May nagpa-shopping sa atin. I can't reach it.
Let me see.
Oh.
Oh, look at that.
And you can grab this. There's a sauce. Thank you. I thought you wanted the stick. Your arm is big. I just need the sauce, but thank you. Ooh. Tomato basil sauce. Mag-spaghetti tayo. No, I have some spaghetti. Ano yan, ah? Tinapon nila yung sauce kasi
It looks good.
oh yeah, okay. Ang ganda ng ano, ah. Tinapon nila kasi nalaglag siguro ito. Ayan, oh, dented ba?
Maybe not this one.
They're watery daw. Organic na saging. At ito ang kang orange, oh. Flavor wave. Okay, tanggalin ang bulok manay. Ayan. Kuhanin ang hindi bulok. Saro lang ang bulok. Tig-apon na ninda, oh. Ay, ako po. Sorry. Poblano. Kaiba tong sili na to, ah. Kuhanin niya natin to. Ito na. Orange. You can pour it here, love. Here. Pour it here. Peppers. Peras ba? Perlas ng silanganan. Peras ng silanganan. Ang pangit na yung ano. Bulok-bulok na yan siya. Kaya nila itinapon. Hindi na siya nagtatagal. Hindi pwede. Oh, diba? Huh? This is empty.
No. This is light.
No. Oh, there's nothing in it.
It's invisible. It's there.
Wala. Baliw. Loko kung tanga sa ako, bobo. Ano yan, put it here. Oh. Whole grain macaroni. May pancake. Uy! Almond flour pancake. Mahal. Quaker oats.
Somebody went shopping for us.
Yeah, may nagpa-shopping sa atin. Too bad wala akong bag. Apricots. Uy! Ratatouille.
Oh. Who's coming to help?
Black rice.
Coming to dinner. Oh, black rice? Really?
Yes, sir. Beef gravy. Ang daming pa-shopping, oh. Apricots. Jello. Yeah, sir. Somebody went shopping for us. Helper. Tuna. Pudding. Is that it? Poppy seed. There, I saw there's a big box. Big box there. What was that big box?
Ponte pa.
Konti pa. Probiotic. Oy. These are all beef gravy. Wala pa naman akong dalang bag.
Wala. Wala.
What is the big box there? There was a big box there. Ay, naku, ang Bud Light. Bud Light. Oh. Get it.
A lot of people don't want anything to do with it.
Oh, I wonder what's that powder in there. I wonder what's that powder in there. Oh, what's that powder thing?
The cake pop, I think.
I'll get a stick. If we can grab that with stick. What do you think?
Maybe.
Tingnan natin to. Daming Whopper ba? Whopper. Masarap to. Wafer na Mr. Bean. Dalawa. Oho. Look. Pepsi. No. You don't need that. That's it. Will you grab that baglab? Opo. Oh, it's been open. It's been open. Lunchable. Wala. Ay, tatlong biro. Ito na mga Mars, yung ating mga na-harvest na mga pips. Ayan, Diyos ko po Lord, ang dami oh. Kahon-kahon yung nakuha nating mga pips. Oh, pips marshmallow. Oh, may pink, may yellow, may blue. Oh, sangkatutak, pang pasakit ng ipin. At ito nang sangkaterbang fluffies, marshmallow candies. Oh, sangkaterbang, Diyos ko. Magsasawa, manakit ang ipin nyo nito. Oy! At syempre, meron tayong candy. Jelly beans. Ang ating Swedish fish jelly beans. Ayun. At ang Nerds Big Chewy. Jelly beans. Ayan. Jelly bean. At meron tayo nitong freeze-dried mangoes. Green Mountain Coffee Roasted Pumpkin Spice Coffee. Oh, coffee. Oh, pumpkin spice na kape pala ito. At meron tayong Shore Lunch. Classic chicken noodles. At ang wafer, sugar wafer, vanilla. At ang ating Campbell slow cooker. Tavern style pot roast. Just add beef. Oh, magad lang daw ng beef. Oh. At ang ating Pillsbury quick bread. A muffin mix to pumpkin. At ang tuna helper tetrazzini. At ang ating black rice. Ayan o, superfood. May black rice tayo. At ito namang 1 skillet meal southwestern chicken brown rice and quinoa meal starter. Nor at ang ating Kroger probiotic prawns. At ang ating pudding, meron tayong pudding and filling, jello, dalawang jello, at ang simple meals, almond flour and pancake waffle mix pumpkin, at ang salad 100% whole grain. What's yun? May ano tayo, may overnight oats. At meron tayo nitong yellow clean sliced peaches. At ang Brianna's Homestyle Rich Poppy Seed Dressing. At meron tayong Sun-Made apricots. Dry. Pinatuyo na apricot. Signature Kitchen Homestyle Beef Gravy. Oh, dalawa yung beef gravy natin. Oh, tatlo. At itong Texas Light Bud Light. Texas Bud Lights. O, tatlong case ng beer. O, 18 ang laman. Ay, malalasing na naman ito talaga si Mr. Bean eh. Ano? at meron tayong oranges. Siyempre, hindi mawala yung orange si Mr. Bean. At itong ang laki ng sili. Oh. Poblano pepper. Product of Mexico. Oh, okay. Ito, may orange tayo, may grapes, may red orange. At itong kakaibang ngayon ako nakikitang grapefruit na kulay yellow. At meron tayong peras. Ayan, orange. Counting kamatis, orange, at ang saging. So, ayan, napakadami nating nakuha. Pampusikit ng ipin. Ang dami po. Ayan, oh. Sobrang biyaya ni Mr. Bean. So, salamat po sa panunood mga Mars. Sana po nag-enjoy po kayo sa aming video. Bye po!